Okay, guys, I'm going to try and do a little basic video and a series of videos. This is just to kick it off. If you're watching this, you don't know anything about the stock market, you don't know anything about trading, but you're looking to get into trading. Um, what's a stock market? The stock market is, like everybody knows, um, the New York Stock Exchange, where things are bought and sold. Stocks, like Tesla, Nvidia, indices it's called, and that's like the NAS 100, the S&P 500, US 30, metals, gold, silver, platinum, copper, whatever. Um, and Forex currencies, which are like the dollar against the yen, the euro against the dollar, stuff like that. Forex currencies and crypto. You can also trade crypto in the stock market. Um, Most people think that the stock market is run from 9 to 5 during the week, but in all truth, the stock market is run around the clock because there are stock markets also in Europe and in Asia and in Australia. So once the stock market opens Sunday at 6 p.m. in the United States, which is actually opening in Asia, that's when their Monday morning is, it goes perpetual around the clock until it closes Friday at 5 o'clock um, in the United States. And then it opens back up again on Sunday. So it's just a continual cycle. Now crypto is a 24-hour 7. It never stops on some of the crypto exchanges, but for the most part, the stocks that's when they start and stop right there. If you're trading futures contracts, which are the indices, but you're using they call it futures contracts. There's a little bit of different times that you can trade them, which are basically right here. They shut down every day at 5 and then kick back up at 6. Um, the thing that surprised me most about the stock market and trading that I did not know is these three companies right here. And if you want to look them up, you can. BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street. And there might be another one, but I think it's just these three. They pretty much own everything in the world. They own all the big banks. They own all the big corporations. They own 88% of all large corporations in the stock market. They own 82% of all the stocks of the S&P 500, I believe it is. And they basically can control the stock market. They manipulate it and make it go up and down according to where they want to buy and sell the stocks, their currencies, whatever they want. They do that. And how do they manipulate it? They manipulate it by using news. And when a big news event hits, they know that that's going to instill fear in people and a reaction in people. So they use those to their advantage to spike the market and make it go whatever way they want. And they just sit there and gobble up people's money. They manipulate it, but they know what's going to happen before that news event hits. So they take advantage of that and take people's money. Okay. Now there's several different kinds of trading in the stock market. There's investors, which some of you may do, where you buy a stock and you hold on to it forever and hope it goes up. And when it goes down, you cry, or when it goes up, you're high-fiving yourself. There's swing trading, which are big, where you buy a stock and you hold it for days, weeks, months, to hit a big trade, to hit a certain point where you want to go, and then you shut it down and get out. There's intraday trading, which I'm an intraday and scalping trader, where I'm entering trades and I'm in and out within a few hours. On an intraday trade or on a scalping, I can be out in and out in just seconds or minutes. And you'll have to decide according to which style you like, what you want to do best. Okay. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to learn some strategies and learn what system works for you. There's some good ones out there. Most of the good strategies work. You just got to figure out which one works best for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to eventually set up a couple accounts with brokers and get to start trading. And how do you do that? You'll find out you got to find some brokers. If you want to use real money, you use some regulated brokers. And there's another way to do this. They're called prop firms. And what they do is you take a little demo test, you pay for a test, and once you pass that test, if you pass their rules, they put up the money for you, and then you can keep a certain percentage. It's like 60, 70, 80%, up to 90% of your profits trading, and they keep 10% once you get a good strategy. And then there's copy trading, which not a whole lot of people do, where you copy somebody else's trades and you get a percentage. I do not do that. I'm a broker and a prop firm trader. But once you figure out a strategy, you get a demo account, and you can get free demo accounts at a lot of brokers and a lot of prop firms to practice trading. Once you get a strategy, getting in and out, it's just like trading in the real market. And once you learn your strategy, you rock and roll. Once you become successful demo trading, then you hop into the next level, which is real money or prop firms. So I hope that is a quick overview of what trading is. I know it's a big mess there, but that's basically how it goes. Now I'll do some other videos here. I'm going to try and keep these short, so people that don't want to waste their time watching this stuff, that know a little bit more, can just pop right through these and on to the next. But this one I'm just going to call Introduction to Trading and what the stock market is, and a brief overview. Okay? Talk to you soon.